Now I'm checking the rust along the side panel, inspecting the peeling paint, and noting which parts need repair. I'm pressing along the rusted panel to check how much the metal has weakened and where the corrosion has caused flex. I've placed the pressure washer and essential tools here beside the cabin to start cleaning and inspecting the rusted areas carefully. Watch closely as I rinse the cabin, see how all the dirt comes off. Stay till the end, like and subscribe. I'm applying thick foam to lift the dirt and grime off the cabin surfaces. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm scrubbing this rusted panel carefully to remove grime and loosen rust. Watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm rinsing the cabin carefully, washing away all foam and grime. Watch till the end and remember to like and subscribe. I'm carefully removing the headlight bolts to access the rusted panel behind for cleaning and inspection. I'm gently detaching the grille to inspect the underlying panel and rusted areas. Observe how it separates from the body without causing damage. I'm loosening these mirror bolts carefully to remove the mirror for inspection and cleaning. Watch how I control each turn to prevent damage. I'm carefully removing the driver door to access the rusted interior panels and hinges. Listen to how the metal shifts as I lift it steadily. I'm carefully removing the seat to inspect the floor and rails underneath. Notice how the fabric and metal react as I lift it. I'm unbolting the dashboard carefully to access underlying panels and check for corrosion. Listen to the subtle clicks as each bolt comes loose. Notice how I peel the tape slowly and attach it firmly without stretching. This ensures everything can be reinstalled correctly later. I'm loosening these steering column bolts carefully. Watch how I control each turn so the column can be lifted safely later. It's important to keep the bolts intact for reinstallation. Now the cabin is stripped to its bare metal shell. Every panel, seat, and dashboard component has been carefully removed, leaving the structure ready for inspection or restoration. Apply rust remover slowly. Position the brush correctly and press evenly for full coverage. Work methodically. Use the wire brush to remove loosened rust. Keep the brush firmly in place and follow each patch methodically. Steady pressure ensures efficient cleaning. I'm smoothing this rusted edge carefully with the grinder. Keep the tool steady, maintain firm contact, and don't press too loosely or tilt, or some areas may remain dirty. This ensures the metal is fully prepared for the next step. Don't mess firmly in a aligned, or paint could seep underneath. Precision here is key for a clean finish. I'm applying primer slowly and evenly across the cabin. Keep the spray at a steady distance, moving methodically along each panel. The primer is going to settle and harden properly. Make sure the surface stays untouched and evenly exposed to air for the best paint results. I'm sweeping the floor underneath the cabin to remove all dust and rust particles. Keep the broom flat and apply steady pressure. I'm resetting all the tools neatly on the bench. Hold it firmly, narbase, and elise to its cards or misplace. This completes the first stage of restoration. The cabin is now fully primed and ready for the next process. Everything is smooth, clean, and properly prepared. Now the primer has been sneeded for the next coat is. This step makes sure every panel is clean and properly sanded before moving forward. I'm checking the side panel alignment using a straight edge. Place the tool firmly against the surface and make sure there are no... I'm marking every small dent with chalk so none are missed during repair. Move your hand slowly and keep the torque mark against the metal. I'm warming the metal slowly with the heat gun to make it easier to reshape. Keep the tool at a steady distance and move it evenly. I'm pulling the dent out slowly using the suction tool. Keep jerk it or pull it evenly and apply steady pressure. I'm finishing the panel with light hammer taps. Keep the hammer controlled and contact firm but gentle. Don't hit. I'm welding this small rust hole carefully. Don't rush or move loosely, or the weld can be uneven. I'm smoothing the welded area carefully with the grinder. Keep press too hard or hold it loose, or that an image. Keep the nozzle steady and maintain even pressure. Don't squeeze too light or move too fast and prevents future leaks. I'm set the consistency with slowly. Keep the press control and sanding prepares the panel perfectly for sealing and painting. I'm blowing off all the sanding dust with compressed air. Keep the nozzle at a safe distance and next hold it loosely or residues will remain. Smooth, controlled wiping ensures a perfectly clean surface for painting. Keep the tape aligned and press firmly. The edge won't be straight. Controlled application ensures perfect lines for painting. Mix the primer thoroughly for consistent texture. Keep the motion smooth and controlled to avoid air bubbles and ensure perfect coverage. Keep the gun moving smoothly evenly across the cabin. Don't stop in one spot or move to flawless finish. This ensures the surface is perfectly set and ready for the next stage. Observe the even coverage and smooth finish. Don't press too hard or move keen and remain consistent the primer. Controlled motion ensures flawless preparation for painting. Dably scratch the primer. Careful, controlled cleaning ensures a perfectly smooth surface for painting. Adjusting the paint gun for even spray. Test carefully, keeping the nozzle aligned. Controlled preparation guarantees a perfect finish. I'm applying the base coat evenly across the cabin. Keep the gun moving smoothly and maintain consistent distance. Observe the wet paint texture. Surface is smooth and even. Perfect surface preparation ensures an impeccable finish. I'm organizing all bolts and brackets for the cabin reassembly. Keep each piece in the bonding and handle tools carefully. Interior ulcers are smooth, now freshly painted and ready for re-cleaned. Observe the organized workspace and attention to detail for a professional finish. Follow each label routing or connections may fail. Controlled installation ensures proper function and tidy results. I'm mounting the fuse box securely. Controlled, precise installation ensures reliability and safety. I'm bolting the brake and accelerator pedals securely. Keep precise installation ensures safety and proper operation. I'm fitting the steering column carefully. Keep it aligned and tighten with correct torque, or steering wheel gear operation. I'm positioning the dashboard carefully. Use the alignment pins to guide it. Don't force or misalign it, or fittings will be damaged. I'm securing the dashboard bolts with the electric screwdriver. Keep the tool steady and maintain consistent pressure, donorability. I'm installing the instrument cluster carefully. Align the connectors and press firmly but gently until it snaps into place. Press the vents firmly but evenly into their slots. Controlled placement ensures a perfect, flush installation. Fit the headliner evenly across the roof. Use the trim clips to secure the edges. Don't stretch too hard or leave loose areas. I'm routing the door wiring harness carefully. Use the clip pliers to secure cable's thumb or connections may fail. I'm mounting the door precisely onto the hinges. Use the impact wrench carefully. Ensure bolts are tight but align the door precisely. Tweak the hinge bolts slowly and evenly for a consistent gap. Controlled movements ensure smooth operation and a perfect fit. I'm installing the window glass carefully. Avoid forward tilting. Control placement but a flush, secure it. I'm installing the window seal carefully. Use the force-it or skip sections and ensure all edges are snug. I'm mounting the side mirror carefully, leaving torquing. Pride and pull tool use ensures secure and perfect alignment. I'm installing the exterior trim carefully. Align each piece, press firmness or clips may break. Align the grille and tighten the screws steadily. Accurate tool use ensures a secure, professional fit. Align the headlight units perfectly. Use the ratchet steadily to bolt them in, ensuring a professional fit. Touch the lights powerfully. Check connections carefully. That prevents electrical issues and ensures everything works as intended. Align the seat precisely and use the torque wrench accurately. Tighten the bolts firmly without over-tightening. Don't force or leave any gaps. Accurate placement ensures safety, a neat finish, and a professional installation. I'm cleaning the dashboard carefully. Move the cloths on surfaces. Accurate cleaning yields a spotless, professional interior. I'm washing the cabin gently and evenly. Use controlled hand motions with the sponge, ensuring all panels are cleaned properly. I'm polishing the truck cabin carelessly and the polisher on stands. Accurate tool use smoothly for sectional finished. Ensuring all panels are evenly polished, keeping the cabin correctly mounted guarantees consistency and a professional presentation. I'm inspecting all panel gaps carefully. Keep the straight edge in hands to check alignment and ensures everything fits perfectly. Especially don't leave residue elsewhere or miss any point. Proper maintenance ensures secure and smooth fitting when mounting components. I'm attaching the cabin to the truck frame carefully. Accurate tool use ensures the cabin sits perfectly and safely on the frame. I'm securing all mounting bolts accurately. Proper tightening ensures the cabin is fully stable and professionally mounted on the truck frame. Here's the fully restored truck cabin. All panels aligned, paint polished, and components securely mounted. Observe the polished Volvo logo. Proper cleaning and polishing bring out full deterioration and trash finish. Here is the final, fully restored Volvo FH16 cabin. All detailed aligned and confers suitability.
The paint is now flashing under the booth lights. Observe the even sheen and consistent coverage.
The paint is now flashing under the booth lights. Observe the even sheen and consistent coverage. This is the finals aligned, paint polished, and details perfected. Notice the flawless finish and professional restoration. I'm lifting the truck cabin carefully. Ensure the crane is aligned and attached to the correct mounting points.